The most common forms of cancer. While attempting to get your head around what is cancer, comprehend that it can happen any place in the body. In women, breast cancer is most common. In men, it's prostate cancer. Lung cancer and colorectal cancer affect both men and women in high numbers. There are 5 main categories of cancer. 1. Carcinomas start in the skin or tissues that line the inside organs and are the most well-known sort of disease. They are framed by epithelial cells, which are the cells that cover the inside and outside surfaces of the body. There are many types of epithelial cells, which often have a column-like shape when viewed under a microscope. 2. Sarcomas develop in the bone, cartilage, fat, muscle or other connective tissues. These are cancers that form in bone and soft tissues, including muscle, fat, blood vessels, lymph vessels, and fibrous tissue, such as tendons and ligaments. 3. Leukemia begins in the blood and bone marrow. These cancers do not form solid tumors. Instead, large numbers of abnormal white blood cells, leukemia cells and leukemic blast cells, build up in the blood and bone marrow, crowding out normal blood cells. The low level of normal blood cells can make it harder for the body to get oxygen to its tissues, control bleeding, or fight infections. There are 4 common types of leukemia, which are grouped based on how quickly the disease gets worse, acute or chronic, and on the type of blood cell cancer starts in, lymphoblastic or myeloid. 4. Lymphomas start in the immune system. This cancer begins in lymphocytes, T cells or B cells. These are disease-fighting white blood cells that are part of the immune system. In lymphoma, abnormal lymphocytes build up in lymph nodes and lymph vessels, as well as in other organs of the body. 5. Melanoma is cancer that begins in cells that become melanocytes, which are specialized cells that make melanin, the pigment that gives skin its color. Most melanomas form on the skin, but melanomas can also form in other pigmented tissues, such as the eye. In all types of cancer, some of the body's cells begin to divide without stopping and spread into surrounding tissues.